Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video I thought I would share with you how I use the Gua Sha tool for the double chin area. I've been a facialist for the last 7 years and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So what I like to do first is I like to start off with clean skin, and you also want to make sure that your Gua Sha tool is also clean. So if you've previously used it, you've rinsed it in some nice warm soapy water and given it a final rinse with some cool water, then it's ready to go. Now you don't have to, but I like to use a facial oil because you have more of a slip and glide, and also whatever you are applying to your skin is, I always like to say, like a double bubble in a way. It's going to penetrate in even better using the Gua Sha tool. So just massaging it into the fingers and then from the chin all along towards the ears and then just down by the side of the neck to the collarbone. So placing the oil all along the chin area, by the jawline, and just down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So what we're going to do first, we're just going to take this part of the tool here, placing it under our chin and just gently gliding it in an outwards motion. This is a light touch here. And then on the other side. And then with the long part of the tool here, we're placing it onto our collarbone. We're lifting up all along the neck towards the chin area and then turning it and gently gliding towards the back of the ear and then down the SCM muscle to the collarbone. Now, when I like to do this, I like to use my tool flat. A lot of people have it at an angle, which is fine, that's personal preference. But personally, I find slow and mindful, and with a flat Gua Sha tool, you end up with more surface area as well. Towards the back of the ear and then back down again. And let's do this one last time on this side. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with blood flow and circulation to the neck and the head area. Towards the chin, gliding along towards the back of the ear where you have plenty of lymph nodes, and then turning the Gua Sha tool again down to the SCM muscle to the collarbone. Just do this 2 more times. And all along. Now with my Gua Sha tool, this is a jade one. They come in various types of materials. I also have a rose quartz and another one from LNL Skin, which has got more of a vibration and infrared with it as well. So it all depends what you have and actually what you personally prefer. Now once we've done that, we're going to take this part here, almost like the top of a love heart, placing it under the chin and just gently gliding all along towards the ears. And this is from under the chin and under the jawline. Once you get to the ears, you can also give it a little wiggle as well. This really does help get the lymphatics going. We'll do this one last time. And then on the other side, again from the chin area, all along. I like to use it flat towards the ear and then just give it a little wiggle with the tool at the end. And then again with the top part, we're now placing it the middle part where the bone is, so it's half on under the chin and half above, if you like. I use my hand as an anchor and just gently glide again. And on the other side. And you can do this once or twice a day. Obviously, it depends on how much time you have. And if you want to spend a little bit more time on the chin area or the jawline, or even a little bit on the lymphatics, just pause the video and just spend a bit more time on that as well. So then again, with the bow part, from the neck all along towards the chin, gliding along, and then again all the way to the back of the ear, and then down the big SCR muscle for lymphatic drainage. And again, we'll finish off with this 3 times on each side. Again, nice and flat, very light touch. You don't need to be heavy-handed. And going along, holding if you need to. I am in my mid-50s, so you tend to end up with losing collagen and obviously elastin within the skin. So if you have any sort of wrinkles on the skin or any more sort of slightly more sagginess, you can just place and hold as an anchor with your hand, protecting the skin. And whatever products you placed onto your skin before, for me it was the facial oil, the rose hip, is going to penetrate in even better and deeper as well whilst we're doing these facial massage exercises with the Gua Sha tool. So once we've finished that, I'm just going to place this down, but after that, once I finish the video, obviously I'm going to wash it again and make sure it's clean for next use. Now to finish off with, really important, we've moved all the toxins and waste along the chin and the jawline, down from the side of the ears where we have those lymph nodes, down to the collarbone. So for a final release, from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, again, we have some indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses to release all the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination. Now, if you have any really a simple sort of skin concerns, or if, what's your biggest skincare challenge, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to really help you. And also just comment down below and tell me if there's any other facial massage techniques, lymphatic drainage, Gua Sha, or fascia work you'd like me to share with you. And thumbs up. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.